Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to send cards on Monopoly Go. To do so, you first need to launch a game on your device. Once you've launched a game, click on the album tab, which is on the bottom right side of your screen, like so. And now select the card you want to send to your friend. So for example, I'm going to send this card called Final Countdown. Keep in mind that you'll need duplicates of the card to send to your friend. As you can see, for this card called Final Countdown, I have two duplicates. I can know it because there's written +2 on top of the card name. That means I have two duplicates of the card. So to send it, just click on the card first, and then you'll see an option called Send to Friend. Click on it. Now select the friend you want to send the card to, like so, and then click on Continue. Once you've clicked on Continue, the card will be sent to your friend. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host Ace. Happy gaming.